Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So we have this problem asking find the temperature in both. We have to find the temperature. So first of all, let's look at Wien's law. So what is Wien's law? Like Wien's law is a law created by a physicist called Wien, and he identified the relationship between temperature and the wavelength, right? So this is Wien's constant. That's measured by Kelvin meter. So this is 0.029 and T is equal to this inversely proportional to the wavelength. So let's see how we can calculate the surface temperature of the sun using this information, right? So all we have to do is just plug in the equation. The first one, to calculate the surface temperature of the sun, we use the yellow light because that's what we see, right? So that's approximately 500 nanometer. So if you plug this one into this equation, that's going to be 0.0029 Kelvin meter divided by 500 nanometers. That's going to be 500 times 10 to the power of minus 9 meter, right? So here meter cancels, and we will get the final answer in Kelvin. And if you calculate that one, that will give you 5800 Kelvin. So that's going to be the answer, right? So this is how much surface temperature the suns have. And let's look at this one right here. So this person is, let's say this person is sick and going to the doctor, and doctor measures this much wavelength from his what do you call infrared radiation, right? From the thermometer. So if he measures this much, what is the temperature is going to be, right? The first thing is we are going to calculate this one into Kelvin first, then convert this one into Fahrenheit, because usually when we check the body temperature, we check it in Fahrenheit. So let's calculate this one in Kelvin first and see what we get, right? So all we have to do is same thing. All we have to do is plug the values. So this is going to be 0.0029 Kelvin meter divided by lambda, that is 9.1 times 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Here meter cancels, and finally we get 318.7 Kelvin. Now to convert this one into degree, to convert this one into Fahrenheit, first we have to convert into degree Celsius, then Fahrenheit. That way it's easier, right? So here what we have to do, we just subtract 273. So let's write it in a different color. So minus 273, and that's going to give us 45.7 degrees Celsius. You can already see that body temperature is like 36, right? So this is really high. And if you calculate this one in Fahrenheit, let's see what we get. So let's calculate that one. So this is going to be F is equal to 9/5 plus 32. Right, multiplied by centigrade, this is Celsius, plus 32. So this is actually this is not a bracket, right? If you plug this value, let's plug this one. So this is going to be 9/5 times Celsius. We have 45.7 times 45.7 times 9/5 plus 32, and if you calculate this one, that's going to give you 140 degree. This is 0.2 degree Fahrenheit. So this is practically not possible, but just for the calculation, if you have a problem like this is the way to do it, right? I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.